they tried CPR for both Rene and Divine on the
yung
beach,
kay
no?
Rene po, si Sir Jeric.
Yeah, RPD
And then,
po. Tapos pinastop po yata
pinastop po nung medic para po ilagay sa stretcher and then to rush to the ambulance po.
Yes po, pero I'm not sure if that's the proper...
Yeah. Pero walang pulse? I mean, even...
I'm pretty sure they rushed him lang po sa ambulance.
The only one I heard that had pulse po was Divine po.
He had a pulse?
Divine, yes po.
On the beach, he had a pulse?
Yes po.
And then they put him in the ambulance and brought him to the...
It wasn't an ambulance.
Si Divine
it
po,
was
police car.
police vehicle.
Yes
Yeah
po.
Okay. Okay. So yung sinasabing and although she did explain it na she said na to stop muna para madala sa ambulansya kasi unstable. So nakita niyo yon, pinastop like you said.
Yes po.
Tas niload na si Rene sa ambulance.
Opo.
Tapos yung kay Divine naman, like you said, may pulse. How do you know na may pulse siya sa beach?
I heard po from my other teammates po nung kasi po after what happened, we were gathering in the pool po, and then we shared our perspectives like POV on the POV of the kung ano nangyari po.
And then yung pagdala sa ospital, hindi na kayo kasama. None of the team coaches.
Coaches po.
The coach,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I think,
the one that went with Rene po was our ball boy po, Kuya Boy. And then wala pong sumama kay Divine kasi po may representative na po dun sa hospital.
yes po, pero Coach Tab and Coach Dean, I think they drove like behind the police yata.
Okay.
I'm not sure who was inside with them.